Let's be real, managing diabetes doesn't have to mean endless pills and prescriptions. Your body can be a powerhouse of healing if you give it the right tools. Let's break down how you can support your blood sugar levels without relying solely on medication. 1. Eat more fiber. Fiber slows down sugar absorption, keeping blood sugar steady. Opt for whole grains, beans, and veggies. Your blood glucose will thank you. 2. Stay active. Exercise is like a magic bullet for blood sugar control. Just 30 minutes of walking daily can make your cells more insulin sensitive, helping you maintain balance. 3. Stay hydrated. Water is crucial for flushing out excess sugar through urine. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day to keep things in check. 4. Cinnamon power. Sprinkle cinnamon on your morning oatmeal or coffee. This spice is known to improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels. 5. Watch those carbs. It's not just about cutting carbs, but choosing the right ones. Opt for low glycemic options like sweet potatoes, quinoa, and legumes to keep your blood sugar from spiking. 6. Stress less, sleep more. High stress and poor sleep can wreak havoc on blood sugar levels. Practice relaxation techniques, get 7-9 hours of sleep, and watch your numbers improve. Don't let pharmacies be your only solution. With lifestyle tweaks, your blood sugar can normalize naturally. Found this eye-opening? Give it a thumbs up and share it, because health should be in your hands, not just the pharmacies.